After completing 12th grade with a commerce stream in India, students have a wide range of options for further education and career paths. Some common options include Bachelor of Commerce, B.Com. Many students opt for a bachelor's degree in commerce, B.Com, which provides a foundation in subjects like accounting, finance, economics, business management, and taxation. It's a versatile degree that opens up opportunities in various fields like banking, finance, accounting, taxation, and business management. Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA is another popular undergraduate degree choice for commerce students. It focuses on developing skills in management, leadership, marketing, finance, and organizational behavior. Graduates often pursue careers in management roles in corporate sectors, consulting firms, or start their own ventures. Chartered Accountancy CACA is a prestigious professional qualification in accounting and finance. It involves a rigorous course of study and training administered by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI. CA professionals have opportunities in accounting firms, auditing, taxation, finance management, and advisory services. Company Secretary CA's Company Secretaryship is another professional course regulated by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, ICSI. CA's professionals play crucial roles in corporate governance, compliance, and regulatory affairs. They work in corporate firms, regulatory bodies, and consultancy firms. Cost and Management Accountancy CMA is a professional certification offered by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, ICAI. CMAs specialize in cost management, financial planning, analysis, and control. They work in industries like manufacturing, finance, consulting, and government sectors. Bachelor of Economics B.Econ students interested in economics can pursue a bachelor's degree in economics, which offers in-depth knowledge of economic theory, policy analysis, quantitative methods, and research skills. Graduates can work in sectors like banking, finance, consulting, research, and government. Bachelor of Statistics B.Stat for those interested in statistics and data analysis. A bachelor's degree in statistics provides a strong foundation in statistical methods, probability theory, and data science. Graduates can pursue careers in fields like data analysis, market research, insurance, and academia. Bachelor of Law LLB Commerce students can also pursue a bachelor's degree in law, LLB, if they are interested in legal studies. After completing LLB, students can practice law, work in legal firms, corporate sectors, judiciary, or pursue further specialization through higher studies. Certainly, here are more career options and educational paths for commerce students after completing their 12th grade in India.